Let's now get you a controversy update from Karnataka, because this massive row is over Karnataka government deleting a chapter on two of Karnataka's prominent rulers, Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. They cited lack of time due to the coronavirus pandemic as a reason and reduced the syllabus by 30%. Among other casualties, a chapter on Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, has also been dropped from class 6, saying this will be accommodated in class 9. Lessons on the drafting committee of the Constitution and salient features of the Constitution have also been removed for class 7, saying it can be taught later. The opposition has hit out at B.S. Yediyurappa government, saying Bharatiya Janata Party does not want wholesome education for students.
Whenever the RSS or the BJP has come to power in the state governments or in the central governments, there has always been systematic eradication of intellectual capital, especially when it comes to subjects that don't fall in line with their line of thought. Nationalism, secularism, the constitution itself in certain ways. So this is nothing new.
BJP wants to really go with their agenda. Their agenda is to divide the nation and to fulfill what their understanding of India is. Their understanding of India is very small, narrow, and wicked in nature. India is a country which speaks about Sarve Jano Sukhino Bhavatu. It speaks about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I don't think they really understand India on a broader perspective. And this is the beautiful diversionary tactics which BJP does. Mr. Yediyurappa has failed as a chief minister to take care of COVID. He didn't even resolve the problem of last year's floods. And now their education department, especially headed by Suresh Kumar, who's nothing but an RSS follower, this was expected.
My colleague Nolan Pinto is now joining me live. Let's go across to him. Nolan, just to put this straight, has this been removed from a specific examination as a syllabus, or has it been completely removed from the year's education in that textbook?
Well, Pooja, considering the fact that the pandemic COVID-19 virus is actually ravaging the state, the government decided that 30% of the syllabus will be chopped off. That's understandable. Everyone knows they're looking at just 120 days, assuming that classes could begin from the 1st of September. So what they've done is, in social science, from classes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they've actually removed a large number of subjects. They say that this is only for this academic year, 2020-2021. But what everyone's asking is this: you want to remove subjects, that's fine. But why do you want to remove or touch subjects that are important for students to learn? Isn't the Constitution, framing of the Constitution, directive principle of state policies, learning about the people who worked on the Constitution, aren't they very important? You can remove others. Secondly, they also state, for example, in the 6th standard on Christianity and also on Islam, they say that it is students will not study it in the 6th standard because they will study in the 9th. If you go to class 9, they give the reason that students have studied it in the 6th standard, so over here it will just be a PPT presentation. So these are such examples that has actually riled a lot of people. The Congress says that this is nothing but the BJP trying to bring about their own agenda. The JDS has said the same thing. I brought this question to the Deputy Chief Minister. He basically turned around saying that he still has to look into this, he does not know about it, so won't be able to comment on this particular burning issue of the state.
Nolan, I do have an added question here, because while this is very shocking with the details emerging, I think the bigger issue could also be the topics that have been chosen. They could have removed several other topics, but Tipu Sultan has been controversial, then removing constitution features. So the issues chosen to be removed is also very bizarre. All right, we'll try and get that audio back with Nolan Pinto. So just to put you through the controversy, no Tipu Sultan or explanatory chapters on Islam, Christianity may not be taught.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.